Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. Now let's continue the exploration of Tkinter package that we left before. For that, let's move to our destination folder. So today is day 24 as you can see. Now let's open this file in VS Code as we normally do. So the VS Code has opened in this folder and now let's open this file. So the code is too long as compared to the previous 3 days. So let's understand the code line by line. So first is day 24 and the heading is frames and layouts. What are these frames and layouts? So basically frames are used to organize a group of widgets. So let's start exploration of code. So these 3-4 lines are always repetitive lines, so let's don't waste time in them. Now main is the frame widgets. So frame1 tk.frame. So this is another method of Tkinter package window. So because we want to create this frame in window, then pad x pad y means the position of that frame, background color is black, and width and height of that frame is 300 and 100. And this is the next method of frame, which is pack propagate, which means that when we just add a button in this frame, the size of that frame must not get resized. So this is the code of creating one frame. You can create multiple frames in a single window. In this way I created one more frame to show you the demo. After that, let's add something in these frames. So for that I have simply added up 2 buttons in these 2 frames. So button 1 is connected with frame 1 as I have written here frame 1, and button 2 is connected with frame 2 as I have written here frame 2, and the text of that buttons are in front of you, which is in frame 1 and in frame 2. This is a very basic explanation of the code. Now let's run the program and I will try to explain once again. So let's run the program first. So the program is running and this is the output of this code. So the rectangle appeared in front of you, which is in black color, is of frame 1. So this is a frame 1. You can add here multiple labels or any other things that you wish to add. Normally when you create a website, we divide that one page into various components or various frames. So that type of division is possible using frame method of Tkinter package. So this is a definition of frame in Tkinter package. I hope you have got a clear vision about this frame. So in this frame I have added one button in frame 1, which is this button, and in frame 2, which is this button, and the color of frame 2 is blue as I have written here, and frame 1 is black. Width and height is same of these both the frames. You can also add more features to this frame just by clicking comma and exploring all the options available here. And also for better understanding, you can directly view the documentation of Tkinter package, which is available on internet. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. And due to any reason, if you fail to run the code as it has run on my screen, or if you have any queries related to frames, you can simply message me on Instagram or in comment section below. Also, the code of today's video is available in video description. You can definitely check out that. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.